Just days before Election Day, Franklin County has a bizarre ballot situation. WRAL Investigates reported on allegations of misconduct against Clerk of Court Patricia Chastain that led to her being banned from office 2 years ago.
Tonight, Cullen Browder tells us that isn't stopping her from running again.
It's understandable if voters here in Franklin County might be a little bit confused about the clerk's race. One of the candidates, a familiar name, was removed from office, and according to the latest court ruling, she can no longer serve in that position. Yet, she's still on the ballot.
I have reviewed her file. By law, I'm obligated at this point to mediate this case.
In no way, shape, or form is that her job.
I think this has been going on for 2.5 years.
That was from our WRAL Investigate story in 2020, where then Franklin County Clerk Patricia Chastain inserted herself in a local property dispute outside her jurisdiction. That interaction and various other allegations of misconduct beyond her role led to this hearing and eventually a judge's decision to remove her from office.
So it is very unusual. You've had some district attorneys and others that have been removed, but never a clerk of court.
Lewisburg attorney Boyd Sturgis argued to oust Chastain. The decision was appealed and remanded back to Judge Thomas Locke, who made adjustments but still barred her from holding office. However, go to the polls in Franklin County and you'll see Chastain's name on the ballot. Is there a possibility she could win the race and not be able to serve?
Yes, there was nothing to preclude her from running.
Chastain changed from Democrat to Republican and ran unopposed in the primary. Shelley Dickerson, the current clerk, is the Democrat on the ballot who's raised the issue against Chastain in mailings.
She feels like she was unjustifiably removed.
Attorney Robert Zaytoon agrees and is leading Chastain's latest appeal. He hopes voters send a message to the courts.
So I believe it is courageous of her to run put her face straight in the lion's mouth. She wants it to be the will of the people and not a small cabal.
Some voters we spoke with seemed unaware or unfazed by the Chastain dilemma. Lifelong resident Michael Hicks offers his analysis.
Things don't always make sense. Franklin County is Franklin County. I think they have their own sets of rules.
So voters and the courts could ultimately decide who will be the next clerk. Cullen Browder, WRAL News, Franklin County.
Now, should Chastain win, she can't serve unless an appeals court overturns the decision to ban her from office. In the meantime, a judge would decide who would take office. If Shelley Dickerson wins, the point is moot.